Hi guys, this is the third JavaScript principles tutorial video, and in this video we will talk about uh, some rules for variables, for using of them, for naming and something else. Let's start from naming. We have some rules for naming style. We use Camel Case for naming our variables. What the style means? The style means that if we have variable with several words in this name, we have to write our letters in lowercase, but first letters of words. If it's complex name, we have to start from capital or uppercase letter. Let's do some example for it. For example, I have a variable my first name. Yeah, we can use this style. My first name is Ernest. We can use this style, but it's complicated to read name of variable if it's very long or we have many words in it, and there can be some situations when we don't understand the start or end of the word. So Camel Case says use all letters in lowercase, but all words from the second has to start. Every word has to start from the capital letter in this style. From the second word in complex in many words name, we have to start second and other words from the capital letter, but other letters can be or have to be in lowercase. Okay. Yeah, it's very easy to understand that we have three words: my, first, and name. Yeah, because we use capital letters. Okay, it's the first rule. The Google Style Guide says use Camel Case, and other guides also say it. Okay. Next rule is that we can use not every symbol, not every character to name our variables. There are the list of allowable characters, yeah, or allowable symbols for naming our variable. For example, we can use letters. Yes, we can see that it's okay, it's not a problem. Let's check it. We use our alert function. Don't forget about semicolons at the end of every expression, of every line of code. Yeah, we can use a run button for it. Yeah, we see that Ernest is my first name, and we can see it on the screen. And we can use also some digits or numbers. Let's check it, that it's okay, it will not any mistakes in our code. Yeah, if we run it, we have this result. But also we can use underscore sign and dollar sign. That's all. It's the full list of allowable characters, letters, numbers or digits, underscore sign and dollar sign. If we try to use unallowable characters, for example, percent or hash, or for example @ symbol, it will be a mistake because these characters are unallowable. Yeah, let's check it. We will have some mistakes or one mistake in our code, and CodePen says that you have some error in your code, and we have some some help. It says on the fourth line, yeah, we have a fourth line, and on 27th position, this is 27th position, yeah, you have a mistake, unexpected token. Okay, let's change it to correct form and check it again. Yeah, now we have our code without any mistakes or errors. So we studied Camel Case style, yeah, we use it, and allowable characters to name in our variables. But also there is a rule that our variable are case sensitivity, case sensitive. Yeah, we have case sensitivity for our variables. What does it mean? It means that if we try to create several variables with same letters by different case, it will be not the same variables. It will be different variables. Let's check it. For example, I have a variable age for storing age, for example 20, and I also have a variable age but with capital A. Let's put in it another value and check it. If I try to run this code with variable age in lowercase letters, I can see just 20. But if I use with capital A age, I can see that it's 30. So these variables are readable as age and age. It's not a difference when you try to read it here, or when you try to say age by just say. But if you write it in the code, JavaScript has a difference between this age. He can't understand that you mean the same. Yeah, so we have case sensitivity. Think about it, don't forget about it, because it's a very popular mistake for people who try to study JavaScript. Yeah, and see you in the next video. Thanks.